The QuickFix Plus electric eraser is one of those tools that I think is one of the most balanced in terms of everything, in terms of performance, price, and literally how it feels in your hand. There are a lot of electric erasers on the market. Some of them can cost you $40+, others can cost you like $4 and under. What I want in an electric eraser is something that's going to aid me in my, I guess, electric erasing needs, not die on me, but give me enough where I feel like I'm actually holding something that matters, and be powerful enough to erase without damaging the paper. It's all about balance. And the QuickFix Plus really strikes a good balance. What we've got here is a 5.5 millimeter white vinyl eraser, and it is a soft eraser that will allow you to do several different things. So as you can see, I choose to hold it kind of like, I don't know, like a marker, and I use my thumb to activate it. Now some people might choose to hold it long ways, and it's just, you know, whatever is comfortable for you. But let me just give you some ideas of how it kind of works to paper. So I'm using a 80-pound sketching paper smooth. Okay, that's the standard here. And I'm just gonna use it to clean up the edges. I'm not applying a lot of pressure at this point. I guess if I apply more pressure, you can kind of hear it slow down a little bit, but power through. So right now I'm just kind of trimming a little bit. And you can kind of see how you can clean up an edge. Now I was using an 8B pencil over here and a HB over here. I try to kind of get a little bit more of the softer leads that are gonna make darker marks, and the lighter leads. And so that's one way people will use an electric eraser, and I'm just gonna go through a couple of other ones. Another thing is doing negative work, kind of carving shapes out from within. So let's just kind of take a look at this area here and going in and creating designs. You never know what little silly or serious thing might inspire you to do some kind of new piece of artwork. And that's what we're all about doing, inspiring ideas and creativity. And then finally, just, you know, one real practical use of that, I don't know if it's, I guess it is negative work. You know, and when I say negative work, it's removing marks that have already been taken down and carving out of that. You know, I kind of just did this little tree trunk here, and like, let's say that I wanted to make a little highlight from sun. So it's also a very precision-oriented tool. So because I can use it more like a pencil than kind of holding an eraser, I can get more of a precision line. So let me just kind of show you. I'm gonna try to give this thing like a little, like it's being hit by a beam of sunlight on the side here. And you know, these are the kind of things that you can choose after the fact, as I'm demonstrating here. And also another great feature, which is always great when you buy an electric eraser, is knowing that you're not going to run out of refills. And the QuickFix Plus does happen to come with a pack of 20 refills, so you won't run out anytime soon. So that's our little QuickFix Plus quick demo. And I really do feel it's a very well balanced tool. It's not heavy, but it has a good weight in your hand, like you're actually holding something, and it gets the job done. So QuickFix Plus becomes a tongue twister. Thanks.